This is a large old oak tree that's in the yard, and I hope you can see the cicadas flitting around. A Virginia creeper that goes up an old power pole, and you can see the cicadas just flying out and around and in the flowers. And one that's on my arm doesn't seem to care where it is. They don't hurt you, but this is just so great. Honestly, I've never seen this many, and I just think this is wonderful. It's just, I don't know, there's something about being able to see wild things that makes you think there's hope for all of us. Look at that. And this is just one little spot, and they're everywhere. I've got a whole forest full of trees, and they're everywhere. So times this by a whole lot more. Look at that. Okay, I'm seriously, cicadas. Look at this. Look, they are beautiful and interesting and flying around everywhere. Look at this.